Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Marcel, aka Smokecalm, and today we're going to talk about helium mining, but more specifically, how to get more HNT rewards. One thing I learned in business school after doing 3 years and dropping out was how to do Canva presentations. So I'm going to treat y'all to one today. First of all, we got step number 1. You just discovered the Helium project and the people's network, and you're getting kind of hyped, you know? Step number 2 is you ordered a hotspot because you were like, money? Free? For doing nothing? I'll do that. Step number 3 is you waited for months. Like literally months. If you ordered a Nebra, I mean, you're probably still waiting. It's been what, like 2 years. If you ordered a Syncrobit, let's not talk about it. If you ordered a Bobcat, that's only like 4 months. But you know what you don't have to wait 4 months to do? Scroll down a little bit and hit that like button. I mean, I've been waiting, so I can wait a little more. Step 4 is you received and placed your hotspot. But guess what? Between the time you ordered and the time you received it, a lot of stuff has changed. When I ordered, there was only 36,000 hotspots on the network, and I'm going to receive mine, and there's going to be 250. This is where we get to step 5. Your earnings are below your expectations. And now you're kind of like, what now? So let's jump into this comprehensive guide about helium mining and getting better rewards. These are the subjects we're going to go over, and they're all going to be timestamped in the video. But I really do invite you to watch every single one of them, because there might be some stuff you have misunderstood and you don't even know. Part 1, Introduction. Fairly simple stuff, but just going to make sure you got the basis here. The Helium blockchain is based on a new novel work algorithm called Proof of Coverage, and rewards miners in HNT, the native token of the Helium blockchain. I think we all understood that, and that's why we all bought miners in the first place. Officially launched in July 2019, the Helium blockchain powers the largest public decentralized LoRaWAN network in the world. Part 2, Proof of Coverage. Let's explain what it is a bit more into detail. This Proof of Coverage, or POC, or POC, whatever you want to call it, verifies that hotspots are located where they claim. And that's going to be very big with Proof of Coverage version 11 coming in, which is basically going to get rid of spoofers and the people gaming the system. Put another way, POC tries to verify on an ongoing basis that hotspots are honestly representing their location and the wireless network coverage they are creating from that location. So when mining with the Helium Hotspot, you do get rewarded HNT tokens in order to verify the position of other miners. Part 3. How do Hotspot earn Helium tokens? First of all, we got Proof of Coverage Challenger, rewarded to any hotspot that creates a valid Proof of Coverage challenge and submits the corresponding receipt to the blockchain. Then we got challengees that do receive that challenge. Proof of Coverage Challengees, awarded to any hotspot that transmit a Proof of Coverage packet after being targeted by the challenger. You also have witnessing, which is very important, distributed to all hotspots that witness a beacon packet as part of a Proof of Coverage challenge. And finally, network data transfer, distributed each epoch to hotspots that route long PHY sensor data for sensors on the network doing that epoch. I'm sorry, I didn't notice I was covering part of the presentation, but I'll put the PDF file to the presentation down in the description if you do want to download it. There used to be a 5th way, which was consensus groups, but we're not going to talk about that because now that responsibility is on the validators. Miner manufacturers. At the time of making this guide, there are 24 approved miner manufacturers. It's literally on the Helium Explorer. You click on manufacturers and you'll see a list of all the approved manufacturers, and 14 actually shipping and selling the miners. We got Bobcat, Calchip, CloudPi, Controlino that are taking pre-orders, Freedom Fi, which are the 5G gateways, FX Tech, Linksdot. I haven't had a great experience with them. I ordered 2 miners from them. 1 week later, I tried to get a refund because I had a different opportunity. I basically paid them 900 sterling pounds for the 2 miners, and they sent back 900 euros, which was a 130 euro difference. And I emailed them about it, but they didn't care and never responded. Then you got Heltec, Curlink, LongAP, Nebra, Pisces, Rack Wireless, and Minted, SenseCap, and Syncrobit. The fastest way to get a miner nowadays is to get one off of eBay from the scalpers, but there is a lot of price gouging. If you're based in the US and you're trying to get a miner very quick, Minted is actually selling some in partnership with Rack on the 23rd of October from stock. That's not pre-orders, that is stock. You order it, they ship it to you, you get it the same week. At least that's what happened last drop. Otherwise, I'm still waiting on a couple Bobcats, and obviously I'll do a whole vlog series about installing those, as well as a review of the Glamos Walker, which is a helium field tester. Basically, it lets you go to a location you think would be good to place a hotspot and try it out before placing that hotspot, avoiding you that future relocation fee if it wasn't good. Back to the Prezi with basic antenna information. Bigger isn't always better, boys. What I mean by that is obviously every mining location is different, so you might do better with the 9 dBi antenna, better with the 2 dBi, better with the 4, better with the 5.8. The thing is, with high antenna gains, meaning 8 dBi and over, you're starting to get a very directional signal. You're not aiming all around you. And that means you could actually miss witnesses that could be right next to you, as well as overshoot the ones right in front of you, as shown right here. I struggle with that a little bit. I don't know why. The camera switched. I don't make the rules. The more dBi, the more directional your antenna signal will be. That's good if you're far away from other miners, but if you're in a crowded area, you're better off with the lower dBi antenna, probably even the stock antenna on your miner. Hotspot placement. Okay, guys, this is like legit the most important thing of helium mining. It's not the antenna. I mean, it can fluctuate your earnings, but it's not the antenna. It's the placement. So height matters, actually. For this one, I mean, I'm 5'8", so I've kind of like known that height matters for a while now, but I got used to get rejected on Tinder. We're good. Basically, height will mainly allow you to have usually a clearer line of sight, because whatever it is, like buildings will block your signals, trees will block your signals because of the water inside of them. Water blocks a lot of signal, and other obstacles. Then connecting hotspots to a high reward scale will get you more rewards, meaning if you're in a crowded city that all have a reward scale under 1, and you connect to the same amount of hotspots than someone that's outside of the city connecting to only hotspots with the reward scale of 1, that person will earn more because they basically have better quality witnesses. And your reward scale is obviously important as well. I don't think I need to explain this one. It's pretty straightforward. You get a 0.5 reward scale, you're only getting half of what you could get if you had a 1 reward scale. Also, avoid windows, bug screens, and thick walls. And a little thing I saw on Reddit actually, which might help mainly Bobcat users because of the magnetic base on the antenna. I know it sounds stupid, but if you put the antenna on a bread pan or a metallic surface, somehow it makes your signal better. I'm not an antenna freak, so I'm not exactly sure why, but more gains for putting your antenna on a bread pan? Why not? If you feel like I provided you with value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you think I forgot anything, drop a comment. Actually, let me know, because I'm not a super expert, but I will say I lost a lot of like time in my life on YouTube and Reddit these past couple months waiting for my miners. So I think I know a little bit. Just a tiny bit. But yeah, consider subscribing as well. And I'll catch you guys in a later Helium video. Peace out.